wait. Nah, I ain't gonna lie, this is, whoa, okay? All right, so boom, I get a box. You know what I'm saying? Okay, we got you know what I'm saying? It's just from the company, you know what I'm saying? And it's addressed to me. Now, I opens it up. What? I already see this, so I'm like, hold the phone. I know what's going on, but I'm like, if you would know, woo, Jesus, wow. If y'all would know how much, I don't know if I said something one day or what, but my friends, Gabby and Andrew, Gabby Cudjoe Wilkes and Andrew J. Wilkes done got me a director's chair. Now, I don't know if I said, because I have been wrecking my brain. I want a director's chair. But, you know, I was just like, oh, I can't get it. Just, because these things are not cheap, okay? Like, I'm putting it together right now because, whoa, I'm about to sit in this every day. Wow, man. Oh, I guess I could have put this up somewhere, but the phone. But listen, this is so dope. Yep. We back again. Now, I think somebody must have tried to take my chair out. Oh, I'm so glad I stayed and saw this come through. All right, for some reason, it wants to be stubborn. But guess what? I think it's something that, hey. Woo. Hold up. That was trying to get his leg back. Hold up. What? Man.
Highly favored